Big Crazy John with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures, and I'm getting the camper, so this is a good thing. This is, man, we're gonna have an adventure soon. So, show you a little bit about the camper and hooking it up, that is. I'm sure there's gonna be an assortment of things going on today, so stay tuned. So I took the lock off the ball there. Not quite close enough. Normally when I leave the camper here, I have the jack all the way up, so the camper is tilted all the way up so the rain runs off of it. So, just gonna back up a little bit there, get that aligned better. Need my coffee. See how it's just, the ball's just within reach. So I mean, I think this is gonna be perfect. Perfect. So these are safety chains here. You know, this is in the event that this fails, it's still attached to the truck. So there's also a emergency brake on here too. So if this fails and the chains fail, that brake gets pulled and turns on the brakes on the camper. So particularly, I should have been doing this first. I'm running it off the truck. Right now I was running it off the battery. Really best to run it off the truck, so didn't want the truck running with the video. So there is weight management bars that I have. We're not using those. We don't need them because my trucks can handle this amount of weight, no problem. And there is a sway bar, and this is a very close trip. We're not getting on the highway. There's no need for a sway bar, so this is a short trip. These are the X chocks. Holds the camper in place so it doesn't roll around. Now that we have it on the truck, well, there's no obviously concern with it rolling away. So preparing for takeoff here, I need to take the X chocks out, obviously. X chock number 2, the letter X chock, C-H-O-C-K. I like them. Our camping friends have them. So, I mean, they have the normal chocks that kind of like wedge against the tires, but you put these in there and the camper's not rolling over that. It's not moving. So. Okay, so we got the camper attached to the truck. We got the safety chains. We got the ball lock on. We got the camper plugged into the truck. We got battery turned on. Stabilizing jacks are up. We got the X chocks out. We are checking for any damage while it was stored, which I don't see any. And got this is unplugged. Plug that in. That's the black tank clean out. So the jacks are up. I also turned the hazard lights on to check those. Those are blinking. And got the stabilizing jacks up. No damage. I think we're good to go. Shot of the camper here with the truck. That's a beautiful thing, right? Okay, so we're gonna use this 3-in-1 RV Care Slide Out Silicone Lube. Lubricates and waterproofs, extends slide out life. product is that you're using there? The WD-40 water resistant silicone? Okay, cool. There's like a spray for every different job here. Oh, this is loose. We're tightening that. We're just gonna tighten that. It's hand tightened. And then we're gonna tighten. So more water's coming out when I do that. It's like compression fitting. Okay. So let's tighten this one up while we're at it. Okay. So we will retest this.
Sorry to wake you from your nap, Bruce. I think that's Brutus's favorite spot to lay.
Perfect week. Move. You reached your move goal every day this week. Alright. Outdoor cycle open goal, 38 minutes. Total distance, 6.08 miles. Total calories, 508. One more hour standing, which is not a problem.